India is on the fast track to becoming a global export powerhouse, with a bold plan targeting 20 key countries and 6 major sectors to hit a staggering $1 trillion in merchandise exports by 2030. But what does this mean for your export business? Let's break it down, sector by sector, market by market, with data-backed insights you don't want to miss. Welcome back to Consult Kriba, the #1 destination for MSMEs mastering export growth and reverse sourcing method, RSM. If you want expert export strategies that turn your passion into paying global buyers, you're in the right place. The Indian government is laser-focused on expanding exports by prioritizing 20 countries across Asia and Oceania, Bangladesh, China, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, and Australia. Europe, France, Germany, Italy, Netherlands, Russia, and United Kingdom. Middle East and Africa, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Arab Emirates. Americas, Brazil and United States. To support exporters, initiatives like the Data Analytics Portal and the eConnect Portal empower SMEs with market intelligence and export guidelines, while the ODOP, One District One Product, program boosts local products and farmer incomes through district-specific branding. Now, the core sectors driving this growth are engineering goods, a powerhouse sector exporting industrial machinery, transport equipment, and electrical products. In financial year 2022-23, exports hit $111.63 billion and are growing steadily. Pharmaceuticals, India is a global leader in affordable generics and vaccines, exporting $27.9 billion worth in financial year 2023-24, with strong markets in the US, UK, Brazil, and South Africa. Electronics, smartphone and consumer electronics exports have surged past $20 billion, led by states like Tamil Nadu, targeting $61 billion by 2030. Chemicals, specialty and agrochemicals exports reached $29.3 billion, with India being the 4th largest agrochemical producer globally. Industrial machinery, exporting turbojets, gas turbines, and injection molding machines to Nigeria, Bangladesh, USA, and Europe, growing from $10 billion in 2011 to $20 billion in 2020. Textiles, despite global challenges, India's textile exports stood at $36.7 billion in 2023, aiming for $45 billion by 2025, with key market like the USA. This focused approach isn't just about numbers, it means massive opportunities for MSMEs ready to scale exports with the right market insights and government support. If you're exporting in any of these sectors or to these countries, now is the time to align your strategy with these initiatives to maximize growth. At Consult Kriba, we specialize in empowering exporters with proven strategies using our reverse sourcing method, helping you find genuine buyers, navigate complex trade processes, and accelerate export growth sustainably.